Huawei launched the FreeBuds 7i at its product launch event in Paris on September 19, 2025. The new earbuds bring gesture controls, AI-based call clarity, and support for multiple platforms. The company has positioned the FreeBuds 7i as a mid-range TWS option that delivers improved noise cancellation, better call clarity, and support for immersive spatial audio. Huawei FreeBuds 7i debuts globally with gesture controls, AI call clarity, and multi-platform support. The new earbuds are available in pearl white, deep space gray, and sakura pink. The earbuds feature Huawei's updated Smart Dynamic Noise Cancellation 4.0. The system uses 3 microphones along with a large 8mm air duct chamber to absorb and counter external noise. Huawei claims an average full-band noise reduction depth of 28 dB. The ANC system has a latency reduction of up to 50% and can adapt to changing environments in under 0.5 seconds. Huawei has also focused on improving call quality. The FreeBuds 7i adds a bone conduction microphone alongside the traditional mic array. The AI call noise cancellation system suppresses up to 90 dB of background noise and reduces wind interference, ensuring clearer voice pickup even in noisy settings. The earbuds come with 11mm quad-magnet dynamic drivers that deliver clear vocals and detailed audio output. They feature a 10-band EQ along with several audio presets, allowing users to fine-tune the listening experience. The earbuds also support spatial audio with head tracking, creating a 360-degree surround effect, while on-device processing ensures compatibility across various video platforms and devices. The 7i supports voice controls through Huawei's Xiaoyi Assistant for calls, music, and alarms. It also features gesture controls like nodding to answer or shaking to reject calls, while touch inputs let users adjust volume, switch ANC modes, and manage playback directly from the earbuds. The FreeBuds 7i support Bluetooth 5.4 and audio codecs such as SBC, AAC, LDAC, L2HC, and 2.0. There is no support for LHDC or aptX. Huawei enables pop-up pairing for devices running EMUI 10.1 and later, along with multi-device connectivity on Harmony OS 3.0 and above. In terms of battery life, the earbuds offer up to 8 hours of playback without ANC and 5 hours with ANC turned on. When used with the charging case, the total playback time extends to 35 hours without ANC or 20 hours with it. It also supports fast charging, delivering up to 4 hours of use from just a 10-minute top-up. Each earbud weighs approximately 5.4 grams, while the charging case weighs 36.5 grams. The earbuds are also IP54 rated for resistance against dust and light splashes. Huawei priced the FreeBuds 7i at $99 at launch. A promotional offer is available in select regions as part of the global rollout. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.